Happy Campers. We've done a thing.
We've done a thing.
We are going to bring you on this journey, but we bought a vintage trailer.
We've been wanting one for quite some time.
Indeed.
We've been waiting for the right one.
Indeed.
And we found it.
We think so.
We hope so.
So, first of all, this is, what we did is I was putting on a car show and I went to go collect trophies. I passed the, where they tow the police impounded vehicles. There it sat. So I went in and asked, oh, how much is a trailer? And they said, $300.
How can you go wrong?
Right.
How can you not come home with a trailer for $300?
Especially because it appears that it's not in that bad a shape. We're still digging through it, but so let's go on a little tour, shall we? I'm gonna flip the camera around and take you on a tour. So what we bought is 1970 Aristocrat landline. These were built in California, originally by, there'll be a story on stresslesscamping.com about the Aristocrat Company, but there she is. Again, not really that bad a shape. Hey, you're following an Aristocrat. And it's a 2-axle. I'm being attacked by sunflowers. It's a 2-axle. It says about 3,200 pounds. There's the TV antenna. I aired up the tires, and there's our cat. That's feisty. I aired up the tires, and they've had air since I did that. Even the bumper still says Aristocrat. Wow, I feel like so aristocratic, right? So let's go. It's a little rough. They painted over all the windows because, you know, they don't sell curtains in hillbilly land, apparently. And everything so far that I've found has been pretty impressive in terms of condition. Tired? Yes. Gross? Absolutely. But messed up? Not that bad. Let's go inside. There's the water heater. Compartments, the heater. The fridge is intact. And we haven't tested any of this because I haven't put propane on it yet. There's Peggy working on.
So far, all except one window has opened fine.
Okay, we have a fan on in here. One
little screw that needs to be replaced.
There comes the cat to check out the trailer. Check out this oven.
Oh wait, we can't open that because
no, I have to put the. Even the oven, I believe, has all the parts, including some snacks. Yeesh.
Ew, snacks in the oven.
Yeah.
Yummy.
This is, I think, stainless steel on the top, and even that's not rusted.
It's in pretty good shape.
It really is.
So this is a wood grain. We were looking at pictures before, and I thought it was just brown, but it's a wood grain, so it doesn't necessarily mismatch the green refrigerator.
Right. The wood, it was, ironically, these were built by a company called Boise Cascade, which makes wood products. And they used the crappiest wood on the planet and then covered it with crappy looking wood wallpaper. We're going to fix that.
Yeah, the wallpaper has already started to come down, so that'll make it easy to take it down.
Here's the Frigimerator. It was gross. There was a mountain of potatoes in the bottom. But again, I'm pretty surprised that all of the pieces are here, including a vintage ice tray.
Baby.
So here's the way we found it. That is going to be a bed, a couch that pulls out into a bed, so it basically blocks the aisle. There was some sort of a curtain over here.
So if you look at the curtain tiebacks, they're the same pattern as the cushions on the couch, so I'm pretty sure those couch cushions are original.
Yeah. If you look, the screens are not goofed up or anything. The cabinets are intact. We have a fan in here because it does smell pretty bad. Look at all these drawers. My gosh. This is drawers. I guess there was a sale on drawers the day they built this trailer. And it actually does have a flushatorium. So there's probably the original Poopadeller. There is a little water damage apparent back here. Has a shower as well. And then the sink is outside the bathroom, strangely enough. And then there's a closet with lots and lots and lots of hangers. They are trying to corner the market on hangers, I think. And then there's this, that's, I think, the heater down there. Another cabinet. Some Vaseline, don't ask.
But it's vintage Vaseline because it's in a glass jar.
Oh, what do you know about all that? Wow.
I think it's been there since the original.
That's disgusting. So,
some of these light fixtures, the ones next to you there by the bed and by the bureau, seem to be intact and back by the bath.
I'm actually going to, after I finish shooting this, I'm going to plug in the trailer to the Jackery and
these two unfortunately are broken, but I think we'll do something.
Yeah.
This is
that, I think, is the 12-volt light. So I believe that all those light fixtures are 120. Yeah. And then the kitchen, I can't see, but the kitchen is like an L-shape rather. More drawers, some cat food containers. That's probably where the cat came in.
Well, and there's dog food.
Dog kibble.
So
yeah.
Pets. There's just this little bit of carpet left. That's obviously coming out.
Yes, absolutely. That's the dinette.
But whoever put that carpet in might have actually saved us from having to change this linoleum because it looks like it's in really good shape.
It's not my first choice, but it's the choice we're going to live with because it's not bad.
Yeah.
So anyway, there we go. 1970 Aristocrat landliner. Isn't that cool? The little
divider.
It's wrought iron.
Yeah.
Man, nowadays it would be plastic.
Yeah.
But it ain't. So there you go. Well, if you're interested in this sort of thing, we will keep posting. Oh, look, there's some bread. So we're going to have a snack.
Let's have a sandwich.
Delicious.